Hello guys, so welcome back. So now here I have first switched to HD user and I have created my temp directory, HDF directory, as well as I have given my permission 750 to my HDFS. So when I check the files, yeah, it's absolutely present. So now I'm switched to my main user. So now, as I told you, there are a few important configurations. So the one is core site.xml. So I have configured it already. So you can see that it is configured. I have configured my temporary directory, the one which we have created now, and my fs, my default.fx informations as well. So now I'm going to configure my hdfs site.xml. So this is like we are going to mention hdfs, like how many replications we are going to have, and as we know, like since Hadoop is a distributed framework, we will maintain the copies of the files. So we should mention like the replication, how many replications we are going to maintain. So all those things are done here. So I'm going to configure that in my hdfs site.xml. Okay, followed by, so in my name property I'm going to mention my replication. So dfs dot replication and how many replication I'm going to, since it's a single node installation, I'm going to have only one. So now I have mentioned my replications. So here my default replication I'm going to set it to 1. So after that I'm going to mention my another property, that is like the data node, so where my data node is going to be present, so all those things. So another property, so I'm going to mention my DFS data node. So it's DFS dot data node dot data dot dir. So the value is going to be, so as we know, the files which we have created at the last, home slash hd user slash my hdfs, that's the last folder which have given ch50 privileges. So now we are almost done. The configuration files are successfully configured, and so I'm going to save this. So it is successfully saved. So now I'm going to format my Hadoop data node. So what I'm going to do is, like, first I'm going to switch to my Hadoop folder. So I have successfully moved to my Hadoop folder. So I'm going to format my name node. So what is it? Name node hyphen format. So you can see my name node is created, it's registered in my Unix signal. So you can see all the formatting, and now my name node is successfully shut down. So I'm going to try to run my Hadoop. So it has to be I hope so it runs successfully. So I'm going to start my DFS. So now it's starting my data node. Give yes. So you can see the secondary node is starting. Give JPS and see.